In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Drive backup. Whether you're confirming a recent phone backup or making sure your WhatsApp data is safely stored, I'll walk you through the clearest way to check it using a web browser. This method is recommended because it shows all backups in one place and avoids confusion with regular Drive files. Start by opening your preferred browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press Enter. When the page loads, sign in with the Google account that you used to create the backup. It's important that you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Storage. This takes you to a dashboard of everything using space in your drive. From there, select Backups. That's the dedicated area where Google collects device and app backups that aren't part of your regular folders. You'll now see a list of backups associated with that account. Common entries include a phone backup, a WhatsApp backup, and other device backups you may have created. Each backup entry shows helpful details like the backup date, the device name, and the size. These details let you quickly check when the last backup ran and how much space it's using, which is handy for verifying that your most recent data is covered. A quick but crucial note about WhatsApp. Its backups live in a hidden backup section and won't appear inside your My Drive files or folders. That's by design, so don't worry if you can't find chats or media when browsing your normal drive. Because these backups are system managed, you can't open or read the contents directly in Drive. That means no previewing chats, photos, or videos from within the backup. What you can do from the Backups page is view the backup's details, delete a backup you no longer need, or restore it, where restoration for WhatsApp specifically must be done from within the WhatsApp app during its setup process. Drive simply holds the data. The app handles the recovery. If a backup you expect to see isn't listed, a few common reasons apply. You might be signed into a different Google account than the one that created the backup. The backup may never have completed, so nothing was saved, or it might have expired or been overwritten by a more recent backup from the same device or app. And that's it. Quick, clear, and right inside your browser.